protected discrimination. Right? Examine how far it is constitutional under 15 and 16. Give reference to decided cases. Also mention the limitations of these articles as per its application. So, first thing, divide the question into various parts. First part, in just 2 sentences, you have to, or a very small paragraph, you have to mention what is the protected discrimination. We have discussed this. How far it is constitutional under 15 and 16. So you will have to give the constitutional validity of protective discrimination. This is part 2 of the answer. Then you will have to mention the cases. Third part is also mention the limitations. So you have to divide. You cannot miss on any of these 3 parts in your answer. This is what I want to train you in. Writing answers. That's very, very crucial to your success. And you know, people have been getting more than 300 marks in law optional because they have mastered this. So just mark the question properly so that nothing is left, no area is left. And wherever they are asking for decided cases, you cannot afford to miss that. Otherwise, if you know the case, you just mention the case, even if it is not asked. But mention only the relevant case.